Today in Delhi headquarters of AICC, Indira Bhavan, the High Command, Kharge ji, our Honorable President, Rahul ji, the LOP, Lok Sabha, our leader, KC Venugopal ji, the GSO, and all senior important leaders of Kerala. We had a huge marathon meeting. Only we had a gap of during the lunch time, and it was almost 6 hours of a marathon meeting we have conducted for the coming election of the local body election and the assembly election of Kerala. There are many issues in Kerala, political issues against the LDF and BJP. There are many points to be noted and discussed. It was a very serious meeting we have conducted. And I'm so happy to the High Command that they have taken every small issues into consideration, and we have discussed in a very long way. So I am sure that under the leadership of our Kharge ji, Rahul ji, KC ji, and all the leaders here, we will bring back the glory of Congress in Kerala. And today, the meeting shows that everyone is so serious about the Kerala state. Everyone is so serious about the Congress party. And it had showed that today, our Honorable Congress President said that whenever, in whichever state he goes, he takes the Kerala as example, that how serious the workers are, how grounded they are, and how they are working for the party. So that would be the example throughout the country. So I'm very happy to be in charge of that state, and I'm very happy that our Congress party leaders have taken it so seriously that every small issues, whatever we have in the coming political issues which is coming in the election time against the LDF government and the BJP, there are many things which has come up. There are many times we have spoken that the political way, the politicalization of Kerala, how it is coming, even starting from the boat chori to Sabrimala issue, from man-animal conflict to the education policy issue, every small issue we have discussed today. And also other regional issues, like in every municipality or in the panchayat, the issues are coming. That also been discussed. The ASHA workers who are suffering for such a long time, who are in dharna in Trivandrum, that also we have discussed. So I am very happy, and all the leaders are happily said that they all are here standing for the Congress party. Thank you. One small point I want to add, that our LOP, who has to catch a flight for Chennai because his daughter is alone there, so he has left. Rest everyone are here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. मैं हिंदी में पूछ रहा हूँ, आप इंग्लिश में जवाब दे दीजिएगा। सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या है केरल चुनाव के मद्देनजर कांग्रेस के सामने? क्या फैक्शनलिज्म सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है? आपने कहा छोटी-छोटी बातों पर चर्चा की। मैं बड़ी बात पूछ रहा हूँ।
छोटी-छोटी बातों, मुझे पता था, इसीलिए मैं इश्यूज को डिस्क्राइब किया कि the reason what the public is looking for. The reason, because there is huge anti-incumbency against LDF government in the ground of Kerala. So the small issues, why I said issues, I have described it, that what are the issues which has come. It is the people's social cause which is coming. It has the problem of the youth who is going out of Kerala for their job. There is no job. There are many other things which we have discussed today. Why people are going out for their job? Because they are not getting job in Kerala. Why people are suffering there? Because the parents are there. There is drug issue. There are human trafficking issue. There are many issues. That issues I was said. I didn't say about the fractionalism. I strongly say one thing. There is no fraction in Congress party in Kerala. It is a man-made, and it is made by the media and the LDF people and the BJP people. I can proudly say there is no fractionism, and everyone standing here, they are all unitedly standing here for the Congress party.
Yes,